What is going on, guys? As you can probably tell by the title, I got a diffuser, and this isn't the same one that I was saying in the last video that I was gonna install. Huge shout out to Brian from Keys Motorsports, and huge shout out to Proautomotion. Congrats to Brian for making Proautomotion a Keys company now. So they reached out to me and they're like, hey, so like how long are you gonna take to get your 335 exhaust on? Like, is it gonna take a really long time? Because you know what, this looks really bad just letting the car sit like this. You know, it's like taking away from the new rear bumper. Why don't we just send you a rear diffuser for the 328i? You can just rock this until you're ready to get the 335 exhaust. So I was like, you know, that's not a bad idea. So might as well just make a video, you know, install this on. Check out Brian's video on how to install the diffuser. It's very easy. I'll leave a link in the description. This isn't really gonna be a DIY. It's really not that hard. All you really do is take the 8mm screws that came out from the bottom. Just make sure you held onto them if you didn't install a diffuser like I did. But you just take out the two 8mm here, the two 8mm on that side, and that's really about it. The toughest part of all of this is just getting the clips and everything to fit just right and getting the screws back on, and that's really it. Obviously, it's the cutout for the 328 exhaust. Hopefully everything works out because I did get a muffler dually, so this isn't exactly in the OEM position as it should be. So hopefully it does look nice for the little time being that I'll have this on until I'm ready for the 335 exhaust. But anyway, let's get right into this. So I don't want you guys to be like, oh, you didn't show us how to do it, so I want to quickly just give you a quick shot. There's gonna be an 8mm screw, I believe here, or Phillips, and an 8mm screw here. I'm not sure exactly where they're gonna go, but I'm pretty sure the 8mm or this Phillips goes here, and the 8mm will go here, and then it's the same on the other side. And then so the tools you'll only need for this is a 8mm socket wrench and a Phillips screwdriver, and that's really it. Now it's time to just watch me struggle to put this on while it's time lapse. So yeah, let's do this. Alrighty, so after a couple, like maybe 20 or 30 minutes, I got the diffuser installed, clipped in, everything's good to go. I just want to double check everything is good. I'm gonna double check everything in a sec. I'm pretty sure everything's good though. Everything looks right. All the screws are in. I used a bunch of Phillips screwdrivers because some of the 8mm weren't working, and I can't find my 8mm socket. So now I have a little 8mm screw hanging there, and all these 8mm screws I have to put in just to, like, in the little spots like right behind it. It's nothing crazy. This is a very easy install, and Brian already made such a good video on it, so I didn't want to make a crazy DIY on it. And plus he just sent me this, so I'd rather just you guys go to his DIY on it. And yeah, obviously the before and after shots don't really mean anything, but I will still take some for you guys. But damn, it looks nice now. It looks nice and aggressive. It looks fantastic. I'm super hyped. I think it looks fantastic. Actually, I don't know. I might keep it this way. I'm not too sure yet. I love the way it's looking though. It looks fantastic. This is actually what Mike recommended I should do in terms of my diffuser setup, because he wasn't a huge fan of me going to single tips because 335 wannabe, and then quad tips is M3 wannabe. He's saying to avoid all hate possible, do it like this. I might keep it like this to, you know, embrace the fact that it's a 328. I don't know. I like the way it's looking, actually. It doesn't look too bad. And when I get some nice, thick, meaty tires like 275s in the back, I can get a really good look on if I want to go twin exhaust. But for the most part, I love the way this came out. It's not bad at all. Huge shout out to Proautomotion for sending me this. Huge shout out to Brian for taking over Proautomotion and making it a Keys company, and shout out to him for hooking us up with this diffuser. It fits fantastic. So as usual with Proautomotion, their things always fit good, especially with the mirror caps. But the car is finally looking all together now. My back bumper was destroyed, you know, and then when I got the back bumper on, there was no diffuser. Everything wasn't, you know, like, now the car's finally like in one piece, it feels as though. And now I just want to get the M Sport side skirts, and then we'll be really like set for pictures and stuff. And then when the wheels are on, then my car will be looking car meet ready. You guys are all asking me when I'm doing my car meet. It's gonna be sometime in May. But once again, thanks again for 10,000 subscribers. It means a lot to me, guys. I haven't even uploaded the 10K thank you video yet. I just got the diffuser in the mail and I installed it. But that's really it for this video, guys. I hope you guys really enjoy this. I gotta run to AutoZone and get an 8mm socket, tighten those screws up, and then take some nice pictures for Instagram. Anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching. Take care. Peace out.